Shahi Bakhur is a rich and captivating fragrance that opens with the sweet warmth of vanilla, complemented by the spicy kick of cinnamon and nutmeg. This enticing blend sets a cozy and inviting tone. In the heart, patchouli adds an earthy, slightly sweet depth, while the exotic palisander rosewood introduces a smooth woody richness. The base is a luxurious combination of umber sandalwood and cedarwood, offering a creamy, warm and woody finish that lingers. Together these notes create a fragrance that is both elegant and comforting, perfect for those who enjoy a blend of sweetness and spice with a grounded woody undertone. Performance elements for Shahi Bakhur. Longevity. Shahi Bakhur has excellent longevity, lasting 8 to 12 hours on fabric. The rich base notes of umber sandalwood and cedarwood provide enduring depth, making it suitable for extended wear. Sillage. The fragrance has moderate to strong sillage, leaving a noticeable but not overpowering scent trail. Its spicy top notes of cinnamon and nutmeg combined with the warm woody base project well, making it ideal for both personal and social settings. Projection. The fragrance projects well within the first few hours, particularly with the bold spicy and sweet opening before settling closer over time, giving it a more intimate feel. Season. Best suited for fall and winter due to its warm, spicy and woody profile. The comforting blend of vanilla, patchouli and umber makes it a great choice for cooler weather when deeper, more enveloping scents are appreciated. Occasion. Shahi Bakhur is versatile, working well for both daytime and evening wear, particularly for formal events, gatherings or special occasion. Its refined and elegant composition adds a sophisticated touch to any setting. Mood. The fragrance evokes a sense of warmth, confidence and luxury. The spicy and sweet elements create a cozy and inviting mood, while the woody and earthy base offers depth and richness, making it perfect for enhancing a relaxed or opulent atmosphere. Type. Oriental Woody. Shahi Bakhur belongs to the Oriental Woody fragrance family, characterized by its warm, spicy and rich woody notes. Style. Elegant and sophisticated. The fragrance exudes a refined and luxurious style suitable for formal events or special occasion. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.